Hey, ready? In this video, we're going to talk about graphing a cube root function. A cube root function kind of looks like a cube function, but instead of up and down, it's going to look sideways. Okay? So, graph the function f of x equals cube root of x plus 4. Graph the function, plot 5 points on the graph as follows. Plot 1 point that makes cube root of x equal to 0. Okay, so what value do I need to plug inside of the cube root in order for this to be 0? 0. So, what is f of 0? That is going to be cube root of 0 is 0 plus 4. That's going to be at 4. 0, we're at 4. Let's plot now. It says 2 points to the left and 2 points to the right. I know the cube root of 1. The cube root of 1 is just 1. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Similarly with negative 1, except the reason it goes down on this side is because the cube root of negatives become negative. So what's negative 1 plus 4? Well, that's going to be at 3. So far, we're looking okay. Now, I know the cube root of 8, so I'm going to plug in 8 because the cube root of 8 is 2. So I'm going to get 2 plus 4. When I do this, I'll have an input of 8 and an output of 2 plus 4, which is 6. So at 8, we're at 6. So it's not growing super fast, this one. Okay, what about negative 8? Negative 8 is very similar, but the cube root of negative 8 is going to be a negative 2. So negative 2 plus 4 becomes a positive 2. So when I plug in negative 8, I get a positive 2. So at negative 8, I'm going to be at a positive 2. And that is graphing a cube root function.